Bougainvillea update. So it's September the 28th, going into October. So last night we had a cold night, down to 4 degrees. So I covered them over under plastic. I left them outside. Normally I leave them outside until late October, but if it gets cold on some nights I do cover them over. So late September, and we've got more bracts. Lots of development there, some growth all over this particular one. This is a Tesco one, but the Italian one, which is the one I'm got the most hope for, not so vociferous in its growth, but then it might just need to settle in its pot possibly for another year. Again, another Tesco one. This is all grown well. Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3. Where's 4? I've lost 4. Lots and lots of growth. Bracts up there growing. There's some existing bracts from the previous one. And more bracts developing there. But I kind of want growth. And it's starting to happen. So I want kind of a bigger plant, because this plant's supposed to grow right across the wall, ideally in the longer run. They're a bit slow. Yeah, so late September, a new flush of bracts, and lots of leaves growing, but it's, no doubt it will stop at some point. And I reckon we've got another 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks of decent growth, and possibly a good show of bracts as well. So probably when they come in November, they might have lots and lots of bracts on, which would be a bit of a surprise, but a nice surprise. There's the others. So they're in this corner because it's like the sunniest part of my garden. So it's quite warm. So when the sun's out today, it's 28, 29 there in the corner. Right there. But the wind is cold. The wind's gone northerly. For instance, in Scotland it was -3 last night, 4 degrees down here. Hence the covering up. But yeah, when the sun's out, potential for growth. There you go. Late September in the UK.